Listen, we've got the guts to take on this challenge. Arthur and I decided that we'll pick 5 party recipes from TikTok and see if we can whip them up in an hour.
At home.
As always, since we've had our own place.
But I can't watch. What are you giving me? What do you have? Fries? And you? Come on, show me. Don't tell me it's fries. Not cool, but tasty.
We'll have these badges for the shirts in Poland for now. That's my thought. 5 recipes. Let's give ourselves an hour and I'll start the timer.
We'll see how it goes.
That's the plan, but we'll try to hurry, I think.
That it'll be faster.
But we have an air fryer just like you have in your kitchens. We have an oven and a stove, a cooktop, whatever you call it. And we have these ingredients. Where do we start, Artie?
Let's start. We start with the rolls. Look, just so there's no confusion. Look, we'll use 2 baguettes and they're like 2 separate movies. Garlic roll, barbecue, chicken, bacon, and cheese at the end. Jekko, you're doing it so fast that you're distracting me. And now we spread the next one with tomato sauce, like the kind for pizza, small pepperoni, and of course cheese on top. Very simple, basic, and yet it caught people's interest. Tamer, what have you done so far? I feel distracted by the eggs. That's chicken. So you've already grabbed the first one, which means you grab the barbecue. So now barbecue. I take a spoon and press it in between.
We're planning to eat all this food with the guys and serve everything at once, not one by one.
Yeah, we'll be going fast enough that there's no need to take a break.
How many notches do you have?
I don't know. Wait, listen. If the garlic bread alone is already good, just imagine what's going to happen when we put everything in. Oh, exactly that. Yes, like you're about to put it in here.
That's it. I don't even remember now.
You also put the bacon in there.
What kind of bacon did you say? Chicken?
Yes, chicken layered with bacon, but you need to cut it into smaller pieces. Maybe I'll start making the second baguette now. And here I have this. Ready-made pizza sauce. You can easily buy it or make it yourself in a very simple way. But today we're doing it quickly, so we won't bother with sauces. We'll just use the ready-made one in this case, just so it goes right in. All right, I've got the camera on the bacon here. Now look, these are mini pepperoni.
I'm arranging it so the bacon sticks out on top, so it gets crispy, not just soft.
Great, beautiful.
Bacon, you man.
All right.
We sprinkle with cheese?
Yes, and we don't skimp on the cheese. It needs cheese, yes. Wait, well, let me tell you, you made crocchetta.
There's crocchette and a lot of cheese, and you'll see the other thing too.
Watch.
Yes, but we have a lot. I think we overdid it.
Yeah, we overdid it, but we love cheese, we love cheese. And now look, we'll go back right away together so we don't waste time. Listen, as you can see, you just need to lay out the salami. I mean, that's it. Yeah, a snack, a quick snack.
But why did she put one on top of the other? I'm honestly shocked. That's fake again. Dude, she put one on top of the other, and look what she's got. Hey, we're doing it like that, cheater. She's a cheater. She made 15 million off this.
They look so nice.
But people will do it.
That's one thing. The other is making chorizo. Look, he's arranging it, chorizo.
He's going to cheat again. Look.
And the chorizo is kind of pale, but I think the chorizo turned out like that. But to make your menu a bit more interesting, because this is very simple and quick, look. You can also make this kind of baked cheese, meaning hard cheese. It should be preferably the one with the least water, and then you sprinkle it with chili, paprika, oregano, and put it in with the rest.
She clearly has it closed.
Then we'll have plenty of space for...
But you see, her eyes are half closed. I don't believe it, since that lady is just pretending they work that way.
No, for sure it didn't turn out that nice for her the first time. And oregano.
180 degrees top and bottom plus convection. Since we have that mode now...
What do we do?
We have 2. Go ahead.
The third simple recipe. We add cocoa, a cup of milk, oh god, milk, flour, 1 egg.
To start with, a good protein supplement.
Vanilla. Here we have melted butter flowing in. We mix everything together, and once it's mixed, we add the egg at the end. Interesting. I don't know why.
So listen, the video was short, but we're doing it right. 250 grams of flour, then Arthur adds 200 cocoa because of the whey protein, concentrate protein. I chose chocolate.
Yeah, exactly. I was wondering.
It might be coconut or something else, but I wanted it to stay a real brownie with double chocolate. Let's say we're bulls, and Kshichu will be me. But we're smaller bulls than Kshichu, so we've got this. And then the lady added an egg. First, the dry ingredients.
All right. And there's vanilla in it too.
Wait, let's mix the dry ingredients.
But look at what you've done.
And I didn't expect that. Hot butter, good natural vanilla, a whole egg, and we mix it. When we mix it, there was 1 more egg. So awesome because of the egg white, because there's a lot of chocolate.
There was more butter, but I'm not sure if I should melt it more. I'll just add more butter, okay?
So you have to act fast because time is running out.
It won't turn on, nope.
Not enough butter, nothing works. This cookie melted in the fryer.
Add another egg.
All right, so we have this here. How are we going to do it? I need to mention something. Wrocław swept us away. We didn't make it to the market with Artsy because there was one place, then another, then a third. We enter a certain neighborhood, looking with a group of 20. Shout out to the guys all in black. Just a gang of nice, cool young people, and we like that, especially when we're in party mode. So, heja banana. We invited them to the club and bought a round for everyone, so there were 20 people. Everyone got a shot, but if you have one shot, you need another to balance it out, and since it was getting late, a second and third round came too. But then it was time to pay. I pull out my phone and there's Santander Saturday night, some maintenance, not working.
The thing is, I also have Santander.
Archie also has Santander. Archie pays. It doesn't change anything. The brick on the phone doesn't work. Santander doesn't work. So the lady says you'll pay on Monday when you get home, so we say thank you, ma'am. That really doesn't happen. Then I texted because the lady wasn't answering. She was in a meeting, so I wrote, please contact me when you have time. Marcin Rajivon here. Our card isn't working, we want to settle our outstanding balance, and the lady writes back to us, you.
Something is smoking?
You fuck, the lady is getting mad at us. Oh no, Arthur, it's burned.
It's already done.
Well, listen, answer or ma'am is writing. Because we only have a number. It was a real pleasure to host you, we grew up with you. You don't have to pay anything, the whole bill is settled. That's why I replied that I'm overjoyed, that this is one of the smallest gestures I've experienced this year. And if you're around Wrocław, we invite you to the place. Because the people are really nice. It's not about looks or search results, but about the people and who you're with. All right, you see, these are burning, these are awesome. Let them cool down. So, once again, I sincerely thank you, ma'am, and I invite you all to the place. Buy at least a beer from her, let her be happy, and tell her you heard about us, that good people work there. Do you just see our cookies? MHM, 180 degrees, 15 minutes, just like in the movie.
Oh my God. Listen, let me tell you one thing. These didn't turn out as chips. Oh no. Well, one did, but it's nice.
They'll be ready once they cool. Arthur, this is how I do it.
But they're crunchy.
23 minutes, 20 seconds. Look at her. And those, Kuba, do you think they'll make it?
Look at how the crackers turned out. See, there are these little holes in the crackers. And the worst part is, they're actually good. Okay. We pour out the gnocchi, drizzle them with olive oil, Italian spices, put them in the oven. Here we add half to the air fryer, sprinkle with parmesan, and serve together with a mayo sauce. This is just a test. Super simple, super basic. Let's go.
Arthur, what do you want? We have olive oil spray.
Here, don't be stingy.
But I think it's gone.
You'll get there, Provençal herbs.
But it's going to be awesome, Arthur. All right, let's do it. Italian style. Olive oil.
Spices, mix everything thoroughly, pour it out. It's very simple. You see, we add more here. No.
I think that's good. That's a lot, right? Without salt, without pepper.
That's the recipe?
All right, we'll do it as the recipe says.
Look, this Italian seasoning, because it's some kind of Italian seasoning, has a bit of salt. Maybe we'll add a pinch.
Arthur, what was in the recipe?
Well, I didn't see, so what?
That's already the fourth snack.
We're going like a storm, but I like it.
28 minutes.
Look how beautiful it is now. SOS. In the meantime, I'll make a sweet and sour sauce with sriracha and mayonnaise. You cut the cubes.
Halloumi is awesome. It makes a lot.
Sweet chili sriracha. 3 clips. We can add more and make more. And mayonnaise. Yes, I'm saying it right. Mayonnaise. Yes. Mix it all together. We pour out 4/5.
Jesus, this goes in the air fryer?
It would be best. I think that's what we'll do, right? Because these buns, I think I'll snatch yours.
Arthur, what a coincidence. You guys do it in that order. Look what's happening here. Kubi. But beautiful. Beautiful, I'll do it anyway. This is the 5th one. Yes. All right, 180 degrees. 41:38. Arthur, put some parmesan for yourself. Sorry for the serving, but we're in a hurry. Salt was lacking after my wife, since we use a lot.
Give it. So what?
Damn, guys, are there any tickets for this party available quickly?
Snacks. The idea was from Artsim. 5 TikToks, each with 1 million views. There's dessert, there are snacks, finger foods, and stuff like that.
Guys, now you're sticking together like Speedy Gonzalez.
Well, to me, it looks delicious.
We started with baguettes, and I think that's how it was, just like in the movie, right?
Yeah, gladly.
Yeah, the smell from the pizza is wafting through the air.
They all mix together, the dessert ones, the pizza ones.
Grab a slice each.
Oh,
For the bun, you added so many spices and everything that it's delicious.
Well, that's what we always laugh about in the guys' sets. Not like that.
you can't mess this up. Well, maybe you can.
I won't eat the second one because I'm trying to be polite.
How can you not eat a second one? It's just a different flavor.
And this is yet another variant.
But the pizza is nice.
This is pizza dough.
But it changed the taste. Oh, that's pure.
Okay, both are delicious and have perks.
So, gentlemen, tell me, which salami is better?
Oh, Jesus. Well, oh dear, that's the ingredient on the pizza.
That when you get it,
You say, Jesus, I got it?
But it's delicious.
That's exactly the point.
wait, that's for later. Eat the chorizo now, but don't have more after this.
Not in Krukelak, but it's meatier.
You could hold it a bit longer. One of ours got burned. I held it too long.
But chorizo is meatier. You have to do it this way.
So you can already feel that each one is just crispy. And this, what is it? Cheese, Jesus, I love Parmigiano.
When I make toasts and have leftover cheese, I just eat it.
I'll make us half and half. No, you know what? We should just serve it to ourselves, right? But we'll just eat it like this.
Is this gnocchi or dumpling?
But it's delicious.
Or I don't know.
Oh, damn. So much better than from water.
I don't have it, but the sauce was made just for this.
The sauce is for this. Oh,
Jesus, well, okay. This is something I wouldn't have expected because while I did expect a baguette with meat and mushrooms in various forms, this is something, I'm telling you. Wow, that's awesome. Damn, keep feeding me.
you're right. I wouldn't have expected this to be one of the better ones, but it's going well for now.
Delicious, it's so surprising.
It's so good that it has millions. Maybe that's why it has millions. Maybe that's why it has millions.
Maybe Jesus has 3 million. More. Interesting, that's interesting. I don't even know what it is.
You would see it with your own eyes.
Let me tell you one thing. I don't know if I would serve this in bowls because I got a bowl and I feel like I should eat the whole thing, but it's so salty
You need to pair it with something.
that you have to.
You attach it to the skaters.
Interesting. A lot like little plugs.
And that's not the end yet.
It could pass. You can.
Go until it hurts. Whey protein, concentrate protein inside.
Wow, yes.
Look, you see, Kadzi?
But brownie, this is the new version of our mug brownie. It's crispy on the outside and inside it's moist.
Like American cakes.
Oh, I'm just that kind of brownie.
I admit I'll have seconds of whatever dessert this is, but it's good. It's so moist. Just perfect.
Remember, 45 minutes including cooling and cleaning up, so about 3/4.
2, with 2 phones each, not 2. Jokey will point out his discoveries.
That's a discovery, in my opinion. And that it's so easy to make little peppers, especially with those small, well, pepperoni. Pepperoni, for me.
You have black dough.
I was impressed that in 15 minutes, literally in 15 minutes, you can even make delicious fluffy gnocchi. It works with salami too, but damn.
My 2 dumplings.
And a little bun. Overall, the product,
I used to pass by there. My wife ate it, and I told her not to make it for me because you just put 2 buns in hot water and it's done. It's brilliant like this and truly delicious. Number 1, number 2 for me.
I can't pick just one.
In my opinion, I'm 2.5, number 1. Like you said, the cake is incredibly powerful, different, delicious, velvety, Czechol, Ada J. I'm surprised. I didn't realize how much I liked it, but now I do. And 2.5 because it deserved a spot on the podium.
We're going to get fat after 3 days of recording like this.
Because I have a fat hand, me too.
Beautiful thing. Gentlemen,
We invite you to other episodes.